Hi, good evening. I am creating this video to know how do we search lead details through an AI Advantage product. Initially, you can see this is the MB points, which says 750 MB points, which are remaining, out of which I have consumed 3 MB points. Okay, so now if I want to search for tenant details who's looking for a PG in certain localities, I will have to first create a search. I will give the name as Delhi. Okay, so now next is I will have to select, since PG it is a rental basis that we offer. We will have to select rent. Here I need to select PG or hostel. Here I need to enter the locality. For example, I will mention Govindpuri extension or Govindpuri main. Property type should be PG or hostel. Budget, we can select what is our budget that we are looking for. So yeah, after the clicking on that, I need to select search. Now we can see the tenant details here. The tenants who are looking for a PG in Govindpuri locality at the budget range between 66,000 to 8,000. So these are all leads are of PG. These people are looking for a PG. You can see the requirement scores here and the availability score. This is entirely dependent on the this is the system. In the right hand side, you can see this lead detail Umang, who's looking for a paying guest in Govindpuri Main or in Nehru Place or Sant Nagar near east of Kailash. And the budget range that he is looking is between 6,000 to 12,000. Occupancy types that he is looking is double or single. So this is where, since he is active, since he is active searching since 5th July and last active is 6th of July. Other information, he is looking for a PG which provides food. Okay, so similarly, if you click on the other lead, which is Lijo is also looking for a paying guest in Govindpuri main between 6,000 and 10,000, between the triple, double, and single sharing. Uh, this is what the Lijo is active. Lijo is active since 5th July, and last active is also 5th July. Uh, she is also, or he is also looking for a PG which provides food. So if you want to contact this particular lead, you'll have to click on view contact. As soon as you click on view contact, 14 MB points will be deducted from your 750 rupees, 750 balance, which was there in your account. So you will be able to see the contact number or contact details of this particular lead, and you can call them. So yeah, this is one option which is available. This is wonderful product wherein you can search leads by your own and call them whenever you are available. You can also see basis the searches how many new matching leads which are available, how many MB points that you have consumed, how many leads you have consumed, average lead point spent, average point spent per lead. All these data you'll be able to see in the dashboard. So this is a wonderful product which is there in Magicbricks, an AI Advantage product. If you are looking for this product, you can reach out to our RM. Thank you so much.